Your original video content can become a digital asset capable of generating income. The Video to USD Journey teaches you how to begin. This is a basic level journey with low risk. You may need between 0 and 5,000 Naira for internet access or basic tools. Your videos must be original. Cooking tutorials, tech guides, dance recordings, nature recordings all qualify. The picture should be clear and audio understandable. Never upload copied, watermarked, or copyrighted content from other platforms. You may need to record a verification video proving ownership. Once approved, your videos appear under My Videos as monetized assets. Choose something you understand, record it clearly, and upload for review. Create consistently, protect your originality, build valuable digital assets.